Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first time going to REI. Come with me and see what we can find. And here we are in the sandal section. I'm heading over to the hiking boots. Alright y'all, we over here by the hiking boots. Let's see what they got. Ooh, I really like these. These are cute, cute, cute. I have the black ones. They have a peach color too that I want. This location wasn't as big as I thought it was going to be. All right, guys, on to the food now. They have a lot of brands here. This looks like the Backpackers and Peak and Trailtopia. That curry looks good. We'll see. I didn't pick that one up though. On this side, they have Mountain House. I heard the pad thai was really good. I'm looking for that now. Pad thai with chicken. Okay, let's see what we got. We got Mountain House, biscuits and gravy, creme brulee, Backpackers, peach cobbler. I wonder what that tastes like. It looks kind of good. And then mint chocolate chip ice cream sandwich. Stay tuned to see the reviews. Thanks for watching.